Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into feeling. 10 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Impression, which means an idea, feeling, or opinion about something or someone, especially one formed without conscious thought or on the basis of little evidence. Impression. For example, she had formed a favorable impression of him. Number 2. Hunch, which means a feeling or guess based on intuition rather than fact. Hunch. For example, I have a hunch that someone is telling lies. Number 3. Suspicion, which means a feeling or thought that something is possible, likely, or true. Suspicion. For example, she had a sneaking suspicion that he was laughing at her. Number 4. Idea, which means an opinion or belief. Idea. For example, Elizabeth had other ideas on the subject. Number 5. Notion, which means a conception of or belief about something. Notion. For example, these figures give the lie to the notion that the country is strike-ridden. Number 6. Foreboding, which means a feeling that something bad will happen. Foreboding. For example, in the end their forebodings proved justified. Number 7. Premonition, which means a strong feeling that something is about to happen, especially something unpleasant. Premonition. For example, he had a premonition of imminent disaster. Number 8. Fancy, which means an unfounded or tentative belief or idea. Fancy. For example, I've a fancy they want to be alone. Number 9. Presentiment, which means an intuitive feeling about the future, especially one of foreboding. Presentiment. For example, a presentiment of disaster. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Furthermore, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.